Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss about computer organization book by Carl Amacher. In this video we'll be discussing why is it important, where to get this book, advantages, disadvantages and suggestions. So firstly, why is it important to read this book? This is the prescribed textbook of VTU third semester computer organization subject, and all of the question and answers which you will get in exam will be from here, this book only, and you have to write the answers accordingly. Now, first thing, where to get this book? You can get it in Amazon, Sapna, or your nearby bookstore if it sells you. I got it from Sapna for around 600 rupees. Now let's talk about the advantages. This book, as you can see, is written to reflect the state of computer technology which is growing nowadays, and about the basics that governs all our computers, as well as what enables a software to run. It helps to understand from engineer perspective. Furthermore, let's keep moving on. So this publisher McGraw-Hill is very famous for printing books by foreign authors. Over here it is printed by mostly Canadian authors. You can see the book is very good organized. It means chapter 1, all the subtopics are given. So if you want to read any particular subtopic, you can take it up and read. Page numbers also given here. Index is very good. I would say a book content is decided by the index. If the index is neat and clean, and if all the topics are covered in the index, then the book surely will be a success. Preface, changes, everything. So before the chapter, some chapter objectives are given, so you can analyze while reading the chapter what all topics you have covered. That is a very good thing. As you can see, sufficient gap is given and very good lining is there. The font size is also good, but if you can't read this much, then you have to adjust a little bit. Good diagrams are given wherever in the book. For understanding, they'll give you diagrams, and in the main exam you have to write that only. See, this is very important for VTU. Single bus. So this will be dealt in the theory, and the diagram for understanding will be shown here. Few formulas that you must remember. This is also very important. Basic performance equation. At the end, you get conclusion which you can read for analyzing the whole summary of the chapter if you want. Before the exam, you can go and read this. Nextly, you get some problems to solve. So if you want to solve some problems, you can solve this. V2 usually doesn't ask problems from first chapter, or except the arithmetic chapter doesn't ask any much problems, so you don't need to worry about problem. Any references which an author has made or you want to read, you can see this. So this is some of the advantages which I've seen. Oh yeah, one more advantage I would say, people who are difficulty in finding a page number for a particular topic, means you know what topic is it, but you are not able to get the page number. You can go for this alphabetical order Here all page numbers also given, so you can refer this and surely it will be very useful. It was useful for me also and for you also. This big this book is big, but I would say it's a must for a computer engineer or information science engineer, as it builds the concept from scratch. Now let's talk about the disadvantages. This book, I would say, has a few spelling errors. Yes, a few spelling errors somewhere here and there, but you don't need to worry. The paper quality is also good, satisfactory. But the only disadvantage I saw is somewhere spelling mistakes are there. Print is not complete in one place. But according after that, I don't think so. There's any major disadvantage. So what are my personal suggestions? My suggestions are, if you're studying computer science engineering in VTU, that is under Karnataka, then this book is a must for you. This is a prescribed textbook, and by reading it, you will understand all the topics. And even though you don't listen to the teacher, you will be able to cope up with it. However, I accept some topics a bit tricky, like the arithmetic chapter where you have fast addition, fast division, and all those things. So you can refer some additional videos, YouTube videos, and you can learn from that. However, if you're finding a bit costly, then you can also visit some local library, or you can also get the PDF of this, free PDF of this in the internet. You can go and search it. So in that case, this book is self sufficient, and it is a must for every computer science and information science engineer, as it builds the concept. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please write in the comments.